All right, here is the quickest way to change your default browser on Windows 11. So we're going to open settings here. Then we're going to click apps on the left. Now click on default apps. Now search for the browser you want to use, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Brave browser. So I'm going to use Google Chrome. Okay, now on the top here, you can click on set as default, and that's it. You can change this at any time, and uh, it will be set as your default browser. So if this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, see if it worked for you. And if it did, happy to hear that. So thank you for watching.